Changing your email on Bitstamp is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bitstamp website and log in using your current credentials. Ensure you have access to your account to make changes. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard under your profile icon. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Account Settings menu, find the option for Email Preferences or Personal Information. Click on this option to proceed to the Email Update section. Step 4. Enter new email address. You will see a field to enter your new email address. Type in a new email you wish to use and double-check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email, you may need to verify the change by clicking a confirmation link sent to your new email address. Follow the instructions in the email to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your email address on Bitstamp will be successfully changed. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages.